Hello everyone, welcome back to Logic and Loops. In our last video, हमने सीखा Microsoft Excel क्या होता है, ये कैसे यूज होता है, and how it's much more powerful than maintaining data in a notebook. हमने अपनी पहली Excel वर्कबुक भी बनाई. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, I recommend watching it first because this video continues from there. So the link is in the description. Today we will understand something every Excel user should know, which is Excel's interface. Whenever you open Excel, you see many buttons, boxes, tabs and options. At first glance, ये बहुत confusing होता है, right? But by the end of this video, you will know what every important part of the Excel window is called and what it is used for. So let's get started. So the first thing we have this title bar on the top side of the workbook, which shows the name of the Excel file. Then we have on the right side we have this minimize, maximize and the close button, just like other Windows application. On the left side of the title bar we have this quick access toolbar. We can customize this. Suppose this is the save button and this is the undo button and this is the redo button. Suppose I don't want this save button, I can remove it. Okay, and I can also add it. After this we have this ribbon. Inside this ribbon we have multiple tabs, the file tab, home tab, insert tab and so on. So the file tab is used for opening the file, saving it, right, and other options. Home tab is generally used for editing and formatting the data or Excel sheet. Then we have this insert tab. This insert tab is used for inserting the pivot tables and charts. Okay, then we have the formulas. Under the formula tab we can use formulas, we can analyze them, we can trace them, we also can check the errors. Then we have this data tab. We will learn about these tabs in details in upcoming videos. Then we have this name box, which shows the address of the active cell, and it is also used for jumping into the cell. Suppose I want to go to A100, I can type it, it will immediately activate that cell and I will be there. Okay, and this is also used for renaming the cell address. So suppose I don't want to call it as a E1, I want to call it something else, so I can put E1 like this. Okay, now it won't show the address of the cell, it will show the name which I've given to that particular cell. Okay, then we have this formula bar, which basically shows the formula inside that active cell. If we don't have the formula inside that active cell, it will show the content of the cell. So suppose this finance, it is showing finance because we don't have the formula inside this cell. But if we have the formula inside this cell, it will show the formula instead of the finance. Okay, suppose if I put count, it's a formula 3, it counts the values. Okay, so when I click on this cell, what will happen? It won't show 3, it will show the formula. Okay, it will always show the formula if we have the formula in the active cell. Okay, and I already told you about the columns, the rows in the first video and the sheets. Okay, you can add the sheets, you can delete them as well. For zooming this Excel in and out, you can go to view, zoom 100% currently I am having, can use this view as well, and we do have this sliders as well. Okay, for zoom in and out. There is one more thing we have in Excel which is currently hidden. If I suppose I select these, then this is called status bar. It will show the status of the current selections in the Excel, like some average count of the selected items. So if I select the numbers, it will only show the count because it won't be able to sum it up, average it up, right? आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब आप एक्सेल की स्क्रीन को कॉन्फिडेंटली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है. अगली वीडियो में हम होम टैब को डिटेल में समझेंगे और उसके हर इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर को प्रैक्टिकली यूज़ करना सीखेंगे. एक्सेल में आप सबसे ज़्यादा इसी टैब का यूज़ करने वाले हैं. धन्यवाद।